Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to show you guys a flip through of my finished journal, and I'm pretty excited about it. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys to see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. Okay, by looking at the dangle, and it just has all kinds of fun little things happening here. I got the little wooden, I want to say donkey. It looks like a donkey to me. Yeah, or a mule. Same, you know, pretty much. And just got little danglies hanging from it. Just some fun little beadwork. And then this, I loved, is this little, I made this little journal. I could put the link down below for this. I don't think I did on the other video. But yeah. It's just a little tiny little journal with papers in it. Just some fun little things. So that's a little dangler. Okay. And then we got the little front part here. And all this, and that's the front of it. And then we got ourselves, yeah, let's see how thick it is. So it's a little chunky monkey, but not super chunky, but it's got some good stuff going in there. That's what it looks like. And then we got our tie. Like that. And you get the flowers on the inside here. And then I just put some tags in here. And some fun little, this little trivia card. And I did some sewing with material and then sewing on the paper. I did some rainbow thread. I got some little flips. And just some fun little things that you can do in here and write on and journal. Just little tags. And then this one's fun. It's got a tag on it. And then you can pull out and have more journaling space with two little pockets here. And they both pull out. It's just a hidden paper clip on the back, so you can clip it anywhere you want. And then we got some sewing here, and then more fun little pockets, some tags, and some decoupage stuff. This is Madonna, just another little trivia card. And did some flips. And then I have all these, I made some of these with you guys, and you can come check out all my YouTubes. Just come check them out. Some of the links will be down below, but you just look through my channel too, and there's a bunch. It'll be all on there. And then this is just a journal card with some space on the back. For that. And then some more sewing. And some more just fun little things tucked in here. And then avocado dyed paper and onion skin dyed paper. And then this is a fun little recipe, spicy tomato, and it's from like 1984. So I consider that vintage. It's pretty vintage, right? And get back to the 80s, huh? And then some more sewing and some more just extra journaling space. Just some fun little stuff. And some collage pockets. And then this is with my RIT dye. It's like an ink dye for tie-dyeing fabric, but I do paper with it. And then some fun little leaves sewn into the page. And then a belly band with some stuff in it. Some more journaling spots. And then some extra space here to write. some more fun little flips, and this has a little extra here. You can pull it out. You can do a little journaling on that, or put some stickers, or whatever you want to do with it. And it pops back in there. And you got little flips here. And this is stenciled. I did it with my stencils and my RIT die. And a little belly band with all kinds of goodies in there. Some journaling spots. And then some more decoupage. And then a little journaling spot on the back. I put a napkin on top of here and decoupaged it. And just some fun little things here. Some more journaling spots. Another collage pocket with some fun things in there you can play with. And this is the middle. And we got a little, another decoupage I did with a napkin that I tie-dyed the napkin with my RIT die. And then I put it on this, made a tag. And it's oyster stew. So you got a little recipe here to make oyster stew. And then just a little tag on the back. And then you got some more sewing, some more paper journaling spots. And then this is fun. It's an envelope, magazine envelope, and it's got extra journaling papers in it for you. So you got a clip with a little bulb pin with some beads on it that I did. And then this is just a pretty magazine page. Just like that. So it's a pretty magazine page that I sewed paper all the way around so you can journal in there. And then it's got a little booklet here that you can add more journaling spots. So you can clip this wherever you want, put it in your purse, have, you know, for grocery lists, or just pop it wherever you want, and you can just, you're ready to go. You are ready to go. So it's just a fun little deal to have. It's a fun little deal. And then it just clips to wherever you want it. Yeah, well, it clips in there. Okay, so, and then you got the sewing pages, more onion dyed and avocado dyed. And then I did a little, just a little collage flip, little fabric flip that you could just use, or you can cut off little pieces and use those anywhere you want. And so that's a fun little thing. And a little thread cluster at the top. I just stapled it on there. A little stamping. And I've done some inking around some of the pages and stuff. And then more leaves. And then RIT die. More sewing. And this is the other side of the tomato soup recipe. And then collaged flips. I did some collage flips, and this is one of the tutorials I've done too, with all my flips. So those are fun. And then, let's see, more journaling space with sewing. And then a little butterfly. And I got a tutorial on that one too. And little stickers. I stuck a couple of stickers in here. Autumn. Little autumn stickers. Mushrooms and then pine cones and stuff. And then some journaling space. So I just made the butterfly into a fun little pocket. It's got little jean antennas. So I thought that was cute. There we go. Okay. And then some stenciled paper on some graph. Some graph paper in the background. So I just did some stenciling. And another flip here with a fun little This is a pocket, and I did a napkin on top again. I did some decoupage, and then just a little tag. Just something fun. I did a little gesso. Yeah, I couldn't think of the word. The gesso on the back so it's not so glossy. And I kind of just did that. And just a little collage on the front of it. And some stamping. And then you got a little stamp here. So that's kind of fun. And then the flip, so you can do some more journaling. So this one has a lot of journaling space too. I will count the pages and put them down below for you guys. I had them counted, but I forgot to write them down. So I'll make sure to get it. I could stop it too in a minute and just do a count real quick. But here's the onion, and then some more avocado. And you got some sticker of an owl and some sewing. And a fun little envelope. I just clipped it on there. And more sewing. And then stenciling on this one. And some more sewing. So that's those. And then this is the back. And I got a huge tag I put in here for you guys to do some more journaling. So that's fun. And we got just a fun autumn picture that I sewed around with some rainbow thread. And you got some more journaling space. And this is just a little index card with the little crocodile or little alligator on it. So journaling space. And then this is a fun little butterfly on the back I stamped with some of my handmade rainbow paper I made. So that's all handmade. And you get a little pen with a little pen holder. And I do have a tutorial on this one. So it's another hidden paper clip that goes in and it stays inside there. And it's attached to this. So it just clips to your paper. And and it comes with this pen, so you just stick your pen in here, and then you just don't need to go all the way down because it's kind of fat at the top. So it just kind of stops right there. So you just kind of have your little pen you can take in and out. And yeah, do little puff paints around and stuff. So it just clips wherever you want it. I just have it clipped at the back here because it was getting kind of thick in there. So I just clipped it back here. And you can have that. And then a little fun playing card that I did some decorating on. So this is just for funsies. And it just clips to the side there. And I don't know what that was. But it was just a fun little project. And I do have a video on this too. But pretty much everything in here I have videos on. So if you just look through my channel, you guys can see some of the stuff I've done if you're interested on how to do it. And that's pretty much it here. Let me count the pages real quick and do the measurements again, just to tell you guys exact on it, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and added everything up and just wanted to double check and see. So what I have here is I wrote it down. I got 20 individual pages in here. So 20 times 4, because it's 1, 2, each side is 3, 4, 5, 6. So 20 of them folded in half. So that's times 4. So that's 80. So there's 80 page sides in here that you can work with. So 80 sides. So I hope that makes sense. And because it's 20 times 4. And then the measurements are approximately 10 inches tall by, what did I do? 10 inches tall by 7 inches wide, approximately, give or take a little. And I didn't measure the spine, but it actually does have a little bit of a spine here. So let's say an inch and, or no, a half an inch. I was looking at the wrong side. So a half inch. I should write that down too. So a half inch spine. And I'll have all the measurements in my Etsy shop too. So half inch spine. And the papers that are in it, this one is the biggest one. And this one actually is 9 by 6, but these all, Okay, so the smaller ones are going to be 8 by 5. So each one, so the big one here is 9 by 6, but it's only on the outside. So all these are pretty much, they're going to measure 8 by 5 when you measure like this. So 8 tall, approximately, you know, by 5 wide. And like I said, I'll have all the measurements in there. And, excuse me, jeez. We'll go from there. That's how long our dangler is here. Ooh, so past 12 inches. I mean, if you count this part, I don't know if you guys can see that, but because we got the beaded little with the heart at the end. So if you go from the top here, it's a little past 12 inches. Let's just say 12 inches. So that's a good sized dangler. And I mean, it's all just made with lace and ribbon and beads and all kinds of fun little things incorporated in that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and really loved this journal. I mean, I had so much fun making it, and I do have videos that you guys can come check out the process of me making it. And I would really appreciate, hold on, let's see. Oh my God, I'm gonna show you guys how wide it is again. So we'll get it tied up here. So you got tons of room to tie, and you can add more stuff to this. Because I didn't want to overstuff, you know, with all this, because you guys can add some things to it too. And there's still plenty to tie. So you guys are, look at that. I mean, you got a bunch shoved in there. All things, little goodies to work with. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And come check out my Etsy shop. I'll have the link down below for you. And please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting, guys. And have a great day.